By installing various mobile applications such as PayPal, Cash App, and other apps, you can earn cash rewards ranging from $15 to $30 per app installed. These apps can include gaming, social media, or earning apps, and there are 5 different websites you can use to make money. If you use all 5 websites, you can potentially earn over $1,000 per day. Additionally, the process is not limited to specific locations and can be performed from anywhere globally as long as you have a smartphone and an internet connection. The video explains the process of how to make money starting from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one. Moreover, by watching the entire video, you will get access to a bonus website that offers 10 times more money than the other sites. Overall, this opportunity offers a simple way to make money without any specific qualifications or requirements. Keep watching the video till the end, because I will show 5 websites in today's video, which you will be able to make a good A of money online by downloading apps only. The app called appkarma.io is the first app that allows you to receive payment for installing other apps. It can be found by searching for App Karma in Google Play Store or App Store and locating its logo. Once you've downloaded the app and signed up for a free account, you'll have access to a dashboard that displays all of the available apps and games. Each app and game has a corresponding point value, which indicates the number of points you'll earn for installing it. To get started, simply install the appkarma.io app and log into your account. After that, browse through the list of available apps and games and select the ones you want to install. It's important to note that each app or game has a different point value, so you'll want to choose the ones that offer the highest number of points. For instance, some apps may offer over 1,400 points, which can be earned by simply clicking on the install button. You can even uninstall the app or game after a few minutes to free up space on your device. Also, there are other offers available, such as completing surveys or watching videos. Installing apps and games is the easiest way to earn points. All you have to do is click install, wait a few minutes for the app or game to download, and repeat the process for as many apps or games as you like. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for PayPal Cash or other gift cards of your choice. If you're wondering how many points you need to earn at least $10 in PayPal Cash, it's about 12,500 points. This equates to approximately 10 different apps or games depending on their point value. This is a relatively easy task to accomplish, since all you have to do is click install, wait a few minutes, and repeat the process until you've accumulated enough points to cash out. It's important to exercise caution and be aware of the potential risks involved in installing apps or games from unfamiliar sources. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before installing any apps or games to ensure that you're comfortable with the permissions and personal data access required. Additionally, always verify the legitimacy of the app or game before installing it to avoid scams or other issues. AppKarma.io is a great way to earn extra cash by simply installing apps and games. With its user-friendly interface and variety of available offers, it's easy to earn points and redeem them for cash or gift cards. Also, be sure to proceed with caution and follow the guidelines provided to ensure a safe and secure experience. To continue, please hit the like button if you're finding this video enjoyable and give it a thumbs up. Now let's move on to the second platform, which is known as iCents.com. There are numerous ways to earn money online, but today we will be highlighting the method of downloading apps, as it is considered one of the simplest ways to make money on the internet. This platform is partnered with several prominent corporations. At iCents.com, there are various ways to earn money beyond simply downloading apps. You can complete paid surveys, sign up for websites, watch videos, and more. To get started, all you need to do is visit the website and enter your email address and create a password for your account. Once you join, you'll have access to different apps that you can download to earn real money, and each time you download an app, you will get paid in real money. If you want to maximize your earnings on iCents.com, it also offers a referral program that pays over 30% commissions for a lifetime. This means that if you refer friends or family to the website and they start earning money, you'll receive 30% of their lifetime earnings. For example, if someone uses your referral link with earns of $1,000 on iCents.com, you'll earn $300 in passive income. The more people you refer to, the more passive income you can make. This third platform that can help you earn money is GetPaid.com. This website pays you to install games on your smartphone, which is something we're used to do. You'll also have the opportunity to complete surveys, quick tasks, and online offers, but downloading apps is the easiest and quickest way to earn money. It only takes a few minutes to download an app, and you can earn points that you can cash out once you reach a certain amount of money. To get started on GetPaid.com, simply visit the website and sign up for free. You can then start installing games and earning points. It takes 5,000 points to cash out $1 and 50,000 points to cash out $10. However, you'll earn more points per app or game you install, so it won't take as long as you might think to reach the cash out threshold. When you're ready to cash out your earnings, GetPaid.com offers multiple payment options including bank transfer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gift cards, and PayPal. So whether you want to use your earnings to buy products, invest in cryptocurrency, or just have some extra cash in your pocket, there are many options available. In short words, if you're looking to earn some extra money online, iCents.com and GetPaid.com are two great platforms to consider. Both offer multiple earning options, and by referring others, you can increase your passive income even further. So visit these websites today and start earning. The fourth platform for earning money by installing free apps is Prizerebel.com. It is the top choice for me as it provides instant payment. Registration process is easy and quick, and you can start earning immediately after installing a few apps. The payment can be received through PayPal or other payment methods such as Visa, Amazon, and Walmart gift cards. The website is available in most countries, but I recommend checking if it is available in your country by creating a free account. To get started, you simply need to sign up for free and install a couple of apps, and you will be able to start making money from now. As you can see, this website has a user base of over 13 million people, which indicates its popularity and reliability. Since 2007, they have paid out over $28 million in cash and rewards, which shows their credibility and stability over the years. Trustpilot and Survey Police have reviewed and recommended this website, and you can also find numerous positive testimonials from satisfied users on their website. To start earning money, you can easily sign up for Prizerebel using your Google or Facebook account. Finally, moving to the fifth platform, FeaturePoints.com is available for both App Store and Google Play Store, so you can download the app by searching for FeaturePoints. If you don't want to use your smartphone to earn money, you can simply visit FeaturePoints' website using your computer and sign up to start installing free apps. FeaturePoints offer different ways to earn money, but downloading apps is one of the best options, such as apps in exchange for points. And what makes FeaturePoints stand out is that it offers apps that are typically paid, which you can download for free and earn money for installing the app directly. You can try the app for a few minutes and still get credited even if you delete it later. Additionally, you can earn passive income by referring someone to the website and receive 10% of their lifetime earnings. FeaturePoints offer various payment options including PayPal, which are available worldwide. To start earning money on FeaturePoints.com, you can simply visit their website using your computer or laptop, sign up for free, and start installing free apps to earn money. Downloading apps is one of the best ways to earn points and make money, and what sets FeaturePoints.com apart from other platforms is that it offers paid apps for free, which you can install and try for a few minutes before deleting them, yet you will still earn money. Additionally, you can earn money on this platform by referring someone to the website, as you will receive a 10% commission on their earnings for life. If you're interested in making even more money, then you might want to check out the plugco.in, which is a bonus website that allows you to make $30 per app. People are making a lot of money with this website, ranging from $1,000 to $5,000 a day, with some earning over $200 a day using this app alone. To use this app, you need to download the Plug app and then grab referral links for other apps from inside the app. You can then promote those links on your social media, and whenever someone installs the app using your referral link, you get paid a specific amount of money per app installed. The app has huge potential, and some people are even making six figures just by promoting apps through their referral link. However, note that this platform does not pay you directly for installing the app, but rather for promoting and referring other people to install the apps through your link. The app pays quickly, and you can easily make $30 per app using this platform. Finally, subscribe to Moneyflow to stay updated. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website while only copying a YouTube link. Then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.